Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Tiffany and I do all sorts of videos from lifestyle to beauty and fashion and travel eventually. But yeah, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more from me, and of course don't forget to check out my Instagram and we will get right into this. So, as you can tell by the title, I've got a heavy Louis Vuitton unboxing today. So if you do want to see what I've got, then keep on watching. I am going to flip the camera around, so I just prefer unboxings where you're like bird's eye view and just like, you know, experiencing the whole situation together. So I'll flip the camera around and we'll get right into this. Okay, so in the box, of course, was the flap with all the details and all the receipts and everything in. It came a bit scrunched up, but who cares? Let's dive right into this. Ooh, sorry in advance for all the excited sound effects. I'm so excited. So the mini envelope is usually empty. Let's see. Oh, I just love this mini envelope. It's so cute. Yeah. If this was Christmas, I would have written something nice to myself. But yeah, okay. The blue ribbon outside as usual, and then the drawer, which I guess is on this side. Da-da-da! Apologies for all my sound effects you're going to be hearing. So they came in one dust bag, which has got the Louis Vuitton print on, of course. I can smell them already. You know the smell of like fresh shoes? Is it just me? Da-da-da! Here they are, the drop flat half boots. So this is like Louis Vuitton's wellies, like their rain boots. They're just so cute. I am in love. The smell of them, they smell like, I can't even explain it, like fresh, I guess it's rubber, but let's inspect them first of all. Always have to have a look. They're a bit dusty. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, who cares? I'll just dust them off. Spin around. If you haven't seen them on the website, I will show you how they look online in a snapshot in a moment. On the base here, oh, love it. The Louis Vuitton print on here. My shoe size 39, which is a UK 6, and then LV stamp. I love this. These feel so firm and sturdy. Oh my goodness. Literally like a rock. They're heavy. No wonder the box was so heavy. Stuffed. Oh, a bit more in here. And then inside, don't know if you can see that. Louis Vuitton Paris. There we are. And then it says, what else does it say down there? I'm not sure. I thought I saw something. Hold on, I've got to put them really close to my eyes. Nope, there's nothing else written there. It's just me. Oh, now it's gone invisible. There we go. Louis Vuitton Paris. I'm sure there's something written down there. Ah, made in Italy, I believe that says. Let's get the other one out just to make sure that one's all okay as well. Because I saw a video that somebody ordered them and they came like all scratched up. And I hate that. Like, if you're gonna give somebody a returned item, you'd want it to still be like as brand new. Take the stuffing out. Recycle this. So yeah, here's a better close-up of the print. So it looks like they've got this stitching, but I think that's just like imprinted in the plasticky material. So it looks like it's got stitching all along the edge, and then up on the sides here, and then around here. So you've got the Louis Vuitton signature monogram print that goes, you can see the like joined together in the middle here. So I think my lights are too bright, so it's just reflecting. But across the middle there, if you can see that line, that's where they join. Across the middle, the shoe, and then spins around like that. I am in love. So these cost £450. I'm not sure how much they cost in other countries. And I had to get these because I saw them last year. I eyed them up, and then they were sold out and never came back in stock. Because they're obviously winter boots, they don't come in stock like during the year. And I think where LV had price increases during the year, they just sort of added that on for when these came back in stock in winter. So yeah, I got them for £450, whereas last year I saw them for £330. So as soon as I saw them in stock this year, I did not hesitate, because LV, as you know, do price increases I think twice a year, and it's usually by chunks, like 50, 40, £30, depending on the item, sometimes like £70. So I just had to just bite in and get them this time. I know we're not going outside as much, so I probably will not even enjoy them this season, but I just had to get them because I feel like they are a timeless piece, and I'll enjoy these like for years to come. And even if I can't enjoy them this year, I'm pretty sure I'll enjoy them next year and all the winters to come. I mean, it is still winter, who knows, the world might become a bit more normal. We might leave lockdown in the next month or so, and it might give me some rain or snow. We have had snow like March, April time in London before, so who knows, we might get some of that. But yeah, here are the boots, and I think I'll do some shots of me wearing them as well so you can see how they look. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. Do let me know if you like unboxings where I'm facing the camera, or if you prefer how I've done it now where I've flipped the camera and done the unboxing, like sort of bird's eye view way. Let me know which way you do prefer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me. I've got some more luxury unboxings coming soon as well, and of course don't forget to check out my Instagram, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much, bye!